Welcome to Math Sharia channel. In this video, I will show to you how to solve quadratic equations using quadratic formula. Sir, what is quadratic formula? So this is the form of quadratic formula. This is now the equation. X is equal to negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. To fully understand how to use this formula, we'll have an example. This is now the example. The given x squared minus 4x minus 8 that is equal to 0. And we have 4 steps in solving quadratic formula. First is to identify if the given is written in standard form. Since the given was written in standard form, so we have no problem for that. Second step is to identify now the values of a, b, and c. In this given, the value of a is equal to 1. The value of b is equal to, very good, negative 4. And the value of c is negative a. We'll now move to the third step. That is to substitute the values of a, b, and c in the formula. So ito na yung substitution method. Sir, paano nangyari yan? So ganito lang. Just write down the negative. Then next, the value of b is negative 4. So just plug in negative 4 below. The next, the positive negative, just write down. Then b squared, the value of b, that is negative 4. So just write down negative 4, then squared. Then the operation, that is minus. Then the constant 4, just write down the constant 4. Next is the value of a. And the value of our a is positive 1. Very good. So just write down positive 1. Just plug in positive 1 to the formula. The next is the value of c. And the value of c now is negative 8. Then just plug in down below negative 8 over 2a. Then we have 2 as constant and a that is equal to 1. Next step is to evaluate and simplify. Solve natin. Evaluate then simplify. So this is the first evaluation. So yung nangyayari, negative times negative 4, we have positive 4. Then 4 squared, negative 4 squared rather, we have positive 16. 4 times 4, we have 16. Negative 4 times negative 4, we have positive 16. Next, negative 4 times 1, we have negative 4. Then negative 4 times negative 8, we have positive 32. That is why we have here positive 32. Over 2 times 1, we have now 2. Next evaluation. So 16 and 32. So we'll just add. So we have 48. Next, we have no whole number for the square root of 48. So we'll take now the factor of 48. So again, just remember the perfect square above. Yung ginawa natin. So first factor, we have 2 times 24. So 24 is not a perfect number. No, wala tayong square root of 24 na whole number. Next, factor for 48. Factor for 48 is 3 times 16. So yes, 16. 16 is a perfect number. So we have now 3 in 16 as the factor of 48. Yan na yung factor ni 48. Lalagay natin yan doon sa ating radicand symbol. So nagiging square root of 3 times 16 na tayo. So that is how to simplify. Next, we have now a square root of 16. What is the square root of 16? The square root of 16 is positive 4. So yung 3 nasa loob pa rin ng radicand, tapos si 4 nasa labas na. Then simplify. We have 4 divided by 2. The answer is 2. Next is we have 4 again divided by 2. We have 2. Yung nasa loob ng radicand, hindi yung kasali, no? So, Nagkakaintindihan ba? Sige. Sir, ano yung x sub 1 at saka x sub 2? Yan na yung value ng x. Yan na yung solution ng ating given, since we have addition that is here the first x and the subtraction that is the second value of x. So, sana yung solution ng given natin na x squared minus 4x minus 8 that is equal to 0. These are now the two roots. The first root is 2 plus 2 squared of 3, and the second root or solution is 2 minus 2 squared of 3. That is now the solutions. Thank you for watching. Let's see you on my next video tutorial on math lessons.